Look at the figure alongside and name the following: lines, line segment, ray, and collinear points. Now this is the diagram. Observe carefully and pause the video and then solve. Write down names of all these and then compare with my answer. Now I am writing names of all these concepts. Lines. Now we have to write the names of lines from this diagram. Now here line AB. Line AB. Then another line is line FE or line EF. Means there are only two lines. Now another line segment. Now here is one line segment from A to B. From point A to point B is one line segment. Point A to point O is one line segment. Point O to point B is another line segment. From point O to point C, point O to point E, point O to point D, point F to point E. Now these are line segment. Write down any 2 or 3 names of line segment. Segment AB, segment EF, segment OD or DO, segment EO, segment AO, segment BO, etc. Then names of rays. If we take this origin, we get ray OA, ray OF, ray OC, ray OB, ray OE, ray OD. And from this point A, this is also ray, as like this, ray AB. From if we took B as origin, we get the ray BA. As like this, we can take names of rays from this line also. Now write down names of some rays: ray OA, ray OB, ray OC, ray OD, ray AB, etc. Then fourth point, collinear points. Now from the diagram, observe carefully and write names of collinear points. Here point A, point O and point B are lie on a single line. So that group of these 3 points means point A, point O and point B. This is one group of collinear point. Then another group, point F, point O, point E are lie on a single straight line. So that these 3 points are collinear. Point F, point O point E. Now these 3 points, point C, point O and point D are not lie on a single straight line, so that these 3 points are not collinear. Understood? And compare these all answers with your answer. My friends, I have taken another questions. Write the different names of lines. Now, one line is given here and different names, we have to write the different names of this line by using these different points. We know that any person have different name or any person known by the different names, Nana, Dada, Mama, etc. But person is only one, known by different names. As like this, line is only one line, but it has different name. If we now write down different name first, line PQ. I used the 2 points and I have written the name of this line. From this line PQ, whole line is stated. Line PR. Line PS. Now you can start from Q. Line QR or line QP. Line QS. Start from R. Line RS or line SR, line SQ, line SP, and you can also write the name of this line by using this single small letter, that is line L. Means it has different names, but line is only one. You can call any one name to this line. Now my friends, I have constructed one diagram here. First observe carefully to this diagram and then write names of parallel lines, names of concurrent lines and point of concurrence. First you try to write all these names from this diagram and then compare your answer with my answer. Now first we have to write names of parallel lines. Now here, which lines are parallel? Now line B and line M, line B, line M and line Q, these 3 lines are parallel to each other. If we observe carefully to this diagram, we will get these 3 lines which are parallel. Try to remember the definition of parallel lines and then select parallel lines from this diagram. Now I am writing names of parallel lines. Line B. Parallel, this is the sign of parallel to line M is parallel to line Q. Lines which are drawn by the red color are parallel to each other, or all these three lines are parallel to each other. Now we have to write the names of concurrent lines. Try to remember the definition of concurrent lines. Then after we can choose the names of lines from the diagrams which are concurrent. Now here, three or more than three lines which intersect each other in one point are called concurrent lines. Now here, more than three lines are intersected in one point. So all these lines are concurrent line. Line A, line B, line C, and this is also fourth line which is also intersected in this point A. Means line A, line B, line C, and line AC or AD. This is one group of concurrent line. Now here also three lines are intersected in point D. So all these three lines are also concurrent lines. Now write down names of all these three lines. Line P, line Q, and name of this line, line CD or line AD. These are three lines which are concurrent. Now here only two lines are intersected in one point, so two lines are always concurrent. So this is not necessary to write here. Now third point is points of concurrence. Now here these are the concurrent lines. All these concurrent lines are intersected in point A, so that this point of intersection is called point of concurrence. Now point A, and here also point D is point of concurrence. Understood? Using all these examples, my friends, solve, practice at first as like repeat all these concepts again and again, and try to keep in mind all concepts. Solve this problem set again and again, and make perfect to all these concepts. And thank you all of you.